Yeah, well, we're gonna check it out in a moment. So I guess trying to make sure I'm streaming live for everybody. All right, yeah, we live. Cause I had that that little delay, I guess. That's what it was, that little delay. So it's all good. Hope you all can hear me. Hope you can hear me well. Um, I'm gonna throw my headphones on for this right here because I want to make sure that the quality is good coming on y'all in, and it sounds kind of low to me. So how about that? Does that sound good? Maybe I should turn this fan off. Let me do that. Let me turn this fan off. We're gonna get this right, y'all. Okay, I know that's the computer sound right there that's making all that noise. I know that. So I'm gonna adjust this, and we're gonna get started with this here. All right. So I hope y'all can hear me good. You see this video after the fact, and I just adjusted all the settings, and because I'm start back streaming live again, like I promised you all, I would start back streaming live. And if I can get more people, that if I get more subscribers, I would do it often like I used to do. When I first started in 2017, I used to stream all the time. So I will start back up again. But right now, this is about, let me see, make sure I got this adjusted correct. Do I have this adjusted right? All right. Let me see. Yeah. Well, I don't want too much feedback. So there we go. I don't want too much feedback in here, but hey, you're welcome to join the chat. We're gonna talk about this here, and let me see. I'll make sure I ain't got too much feedback in here. All right. I hope you all can hear me. Maybe I think I need to switch the audio because that is awfully loud. See, y'all can hear that. See, I don't need that feedback like that. That feedback is just loud. Yeah, I should have put this on I should have put this on the mic stand. That's what I should have done. Put it on the mic stand, but that's okay. I don't need that feedback, so I'll make sure y'all don't get it. Y'all are welcome to chat. If you would come and subscribe on the channel, you can chat right now, and I don't mind talking with you. Just want to let y'all know that that you gotta be aware of the haters and the troll. They thought that they stopped me from streaming on YouTube because it's one guy I'm trying to do a lawsuit for. So check out the last video I made about trolls, and I want you to subscribe to my petition on YouTube so we can use that information to do a FOIA request on any kind of hater YouTube channel who wants to be a hater. So you want to be a hater, gonna take care of him. All right, I'm gonna show my video in just a moment. I just want to get this audio part together for you all. Okay, just that. So hold on to what you got, and we're gonna get right on to this. Give me a second, right quick. All right, here we go. Let's go here. Let's do that. I hope y'all can hear me now, right? Can y'all hear me pretty good? I hope you can. Let me see what. All right. Let's give a few more people time to come in, and we're gonna chat a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all. You can see my screen, so that's what we're gonna be talking about. All right. All right. We're gonna let me see something. All right. Okay. I just can't hear the audio because I got my headphones in. So let me do that and make sure we ain't got too much feedback. All right. Yep. Not too much feedback. Great. I think this is gonna be. This is what we're gonna do. Mic test. 1 2 1 2. Yeah. This is also a test for me. So first time back streaming again. So this still is a test, and I have to add my audio input capture. All right. I hope that's not doubled. Hope we're not doubled on here. We'll let a few more people get inside here. We're gonna talk about Texas. Matter of fact, let me see what the replay sound like. Hold on, y'all give me a second. Cause it sound loud to me. Yeah, that's loud. I mean, that's low. Okay. Let's do this here then. Give me a second, y'all, and you all just get yourself acclimated to me doing live streams again. So we are gonna do this, and it sounds like it's pretty loud, but I don't know. I don't know what y'all think. All right. Let me grab another USB cable so I can let this microphone be a little far up to me. Hold on a second, y'all. Give me a second. Grab the USB right quick. Right back in action. Give me a second. Alright, this button right here goes to here. We want to take this one out. And then we're going to be rocking and rolling. So a USB cord right there. I don't want this feedback in the mic, so. Doing it again, y'all. Oh, that's a different type of cord, so. We'll get this all. Get it all. We'll get it, y'all. Give me a second, I should be right back. Help you trolls find something to talk about. Having fun yet, trolls? Thought you're gonna have a lot of information you're gonna have, right? You thought you were gonna sit up here and post stuff. I'm gonna let you wait, so you try to find something that you can. Having fun yet, trolls? Thought you're gonna have a lot of information. So you can find something to talk about. So I'm gonna let you sit there and wait. You try to find something that you can. I'm gonna make you sit there and wait. Find something to talk about. Let you sit there and waiting to cut, waiting to try to see what I'm gonna talk about, so you can go and say, "Oh, let me show you something. This guy's not a real paralegal. He's a fake paralegal. He's a bogus paralegal. He's not even real. And I'm the one that go and report people that don't do stuff that's wrong. If they don't do that according to the standards I set, I'm gonna call him a fake paralegal. I'm such a hard-ass nigga. I'm gonna go ahead and tell me you're a fake paralegal, because I'm a punk too. So I'm gonna let people know that he's fake, because I don't like him, because he's got a good idea and I didn't come up with it." This guy is so funny. So funny. Oh my goodness. I guess he thought I was gonna stream live again, because you thought I was scared of you coming here and talking about a history of a straw man name, bro. I don't care about a straw man name. It don't have no effect on me. If you ever got convicted of a crime that was no injured party, let me show you how to get the mess off your record. Now, you might have some trolls that might try to keep reminding you of it, but you know, ain't nobody scared of no. This dude is irrelevant. Every sense of the word irrelevancy. You don't fear nobody. You know, you don't fear no man. The only thing they can do is, you know, you should fear God, who can take your body and soul and throw it into a lake of fire. You should fear him. You don't fear some dude. I mean, what are you gonna do? What is he gonna do? Come on this site and talk about something that nobody cares about, except for trolls. You know what I'm saying? Y'all the glory to God. Ignore these cats. Woo, it took me so long to get that done, y'all. Sorry about that. I had to redo everything, and I still don't even have my okay, let's see. Let me put this. There we go. Alright, let's see, is that better? Maybe I need to get some more headphones. That's probably what it is. Probably be these headphones. That's probably the issue. These doggone headphones probably is the problem. So, nevertheless, I'm still in here, and besides all the background noise y'all hear inside here, yeah, that's just the computer you hear in the background. Cause see, and you hear my little replay in the background. That's what that is. So, let's get to it. All right, let's get to it. All right, so what you have on your screen right here. Actually, let me turn on my big screen right here so I can make sure y'all looking at it at the right size and everything. And oops, is that me? Yeah, I think I knocked that down. Okay. All right, so what you're looking at right here, and then first, again, my name is David McMillan. I'm the Texas Paralegal guy. Y'all know where I am on here. So, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Westlaw, and actually, I'm gonna edit this video so you don't have to worry about all the beginning information when I was looking for a longer USB cable. I'm gonna edit this video and re-upload it where it starts about right here. Okay. All right. Let me see what we got here. Let me go to the capture. We got the microphone capture right there, and we're going to delete this one. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna delete this one. All right. Yeah, we're gonna delete this one. Whew, okay. And I guess I can't delete it because we live, right? Oh no, I can trash it right here. Trash it. All right. I don't know if that's a lot better for you all or not, but it looks like it's a lot better on my side, of course. My microphone is right here, so that's the main reason you see me stooping down, because I normally like to have my microphone up in the air like that. But I know that troll gonna come on here and see that microphone in front of my mouth and be like, "Ooh," you know, that's how that troll do. He's a professional hater, but we can't worry about him and nobody else. We got to do what we have to do here. All right, so right here, and I want to make sure y'all can hear me clearly. Can y'all hear me good? Because that's what I want to make sure. I just want to make sure the sound quality is good enough for you all and that you can be able to chat. All you got to do is be about 20 minutes to chat. That's why I left it like it was now. So you can be able to chat with me. If you've been a subscriber for about 20 minutes, it's on in your life. It's on and popping. Okay? All right. So with that being said, let's get on to this. All right, on your screen that you're looking at right here is the Texas Municipal Law Finder, and this is inside Westlaw Precision, and this is where I get a lot of my information from in my court case and course law. Of course, if you working with people who don't have access to Westlaw, they're never going to see anything like this. Okay, so we talking about municipal law right now. Okay, so let's talk about that for a second. All right, let me make sure I widen the screen up so you can see it. Okay, there we go. All right, so now when we talk about municipal law right here, we're talking about these are court cases concerning municipal law. That means traffic tickets, citations, stuff like that, in JP court. Okay, so this is any kind of law form that you want to find. See, we can find it anywhere. All content, I put in traffic, citations, and dismiss. So these are the 98 forms that came up right here. These are the 98 forms that came up. All right? The 98 forms that came up, these forms will help you to determine the cause of action that you should take inside a court system where you don't know about the abatement process on a traffic ticket, so you still want to be able to do something about it. So right now I selected 13 documents out of here, so I'm at 41. So we talking about a traffic ticket where a police officer, like they did on May the 3rd, asked me for my social security number. That's what I was looking for. So what I normally would do is I would download these documents and I would put it on our website. Okay. Now if you saw our website before, that's a page I just created, so I'll let y'all see the website. So what happens here is that let me let that populate. Let me let that get on back around to where it was doing. And we're going to go back over here to Westlaw. Okay. So now inside Westlaw, we also have form builder in here. So we got, look right here, we got Westlaw Precision, Drafting Assistance, Westlaw Today, West Legal Ed Center, and then a Westlaw Form Builder. The Form Builder, we have it for every state. So you shouldn't have no problem getting documents for your state. Okay, we got Form Builder for every state. And we also got a state plan. Of course, you already know that. All right, so on our website, let me take you to it. On our website right here, I will have a right here where you see, when you log in, you're going to see this menu. It say motion practice. When you go up on there, you see Westlaw. That's what documents like that you're going to see. So let's just go here for a second, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Now, this Westlaw is being redesigned this portion of the site with AI, so I can make it I can make it looks a lot more presentable for you. But right now, this is where it looks now. So you're gonna see another link up under here that's gonna say Westlaw. When you go there, you click on it. You're gonna open it up, and you're gonna see what you need, and you just select the traffic tickets, because that is what I'm gonna download and put up on there for Texas municipal law. We can do it for any state. So most of the documents that you're gonna need, it's gonna be under your state. Okay. So, and when I finish Equity University, you're gonna be able to use it for your state. So I come here and I get these documents, and I look at what it needs, what I need inside here. Depends on what it is. Now this right here is a petition or application for a writ of mandamus to compel reinstatement of teaching position. This got something to do with teaching. You can also see right there is am jurisprudence right there, schools. So you don't need that one because you're not dealing with the schools. Okay. Right here, someone that passed away. Okay, a decedent. This right here is a municipal court, so motion to dismiss to post bond ordered by court. All right, so I'm gonna check that because I'm gonna download that and I'm gonna put that inside that motion page I just showed you under Westlaw right here. I'm gonna put that in that motion page, okay? Under Westlaw and traffic tickets. So these documents that I'm gonna download now will be over there. It'll be in there in the morning. That's what you're gonna see in the morning when you go into that motion practice for all the members, okay? I'm gonna tell you the members benefit too before we finish this video. Okay. All right, so let's see. Right here, we see this is got something to do with a motion to dismiss by municipality, expiration of statute of limitation for taking a pious. So this local statutes and judicial construction of those statutes must be examined carefully to determine the limitation periods for takings, as the periods may vary depending on a variety of factors, including whether there is a vote by the town and country, whether the plaintiff is petitioning for municipality for an award, damages, or otherwise. So you're probably gonna need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. All right. Then we're gonna go down here to a petition or application for writ of mandamus to compel state board to restore license to corporation. And maybe I think I need to probably take this link right here. Y'all give me a second. I'm gonna take this link and put it into the Facebook group because a lot of people were asking about the live stream. So let me go ahead and do that because a lot of people that still are up late at night normally would be on here with me on Facebook. So I want to go ahead and send that link over to them on Facebook. So y'all just hang in there for a second. And still showing me that we're not even connected live, but we've been live. All right, so let me take this link and post it inside the Facebook group. So if you've been a subscriber for more than 20 minutes, you can chat. If you want to chat inside the chat room, you can go ahead and do that. Oh my goodness. It said Lakers head coach involved in a car crash. Ooh, my goodness. Lakers head coach? Oh, okay. It might be staged. He's probably going to be the next main coach probably. And stage and say he hurt and then make him a coach. So y'all know how they do. All right. So give me a second. I'm going to get this live stream link. And I'm going to send it to everyone so they can join me. So just hang in there where you at. And we're going to get back to what I was doing earlier, okay? So don't worry about it. We got you. We got you. Trust me. All right, good. Now I got my chat back because that was ridiculous. Let me put this in Facebook right quick, and we're gonna get right back to it again. Okay. Haters and trolls, go ahead and start recording, doing what you're doing. Put it in your group. The guy I was talking about in the earlier video, I was telling you about. Go ahead and post this video inside your group and call me a fake guru. So everyone that comes on there. He called me a bogus paralegal. Go ahead and post this on your page because every time you post a video and people link on there and they click on it, do you know they give me a whole bunch of hits? I appreciate you for doing that. So keep doing your thing, homie, little homie. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing it. In a few minutes, I'm finna use the FBI to tell me where you at. I'm not even tripping on nothing, okay? Uh, Let me put this in the Facebook group. All right. And let me make sure it goes to everyone. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you have any messages, you want to do anything, in the chat while I'm posting this in the Facebook groups, that'd be fine. You can ask your question. I can see you inside the software. I can see anything you say. I want to thank you all for joining me, who is on here now. Don't have to be shy. You know, I do want to communicate with everyone. Okay, so if you have something you want to speak about right quick while I'm making these quick posts right quick, that would be nice. Okay. All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, let me go ahead and take this down here, and then I'm gonna put at everyone in this group. All right, there we go. All right, I think we're good to go now. Let me turn down the stream so y'all won't get too much feedback. That way you can kind of get an understanding of what's going on right now. I want you all to get used to me making my videos here like I used to do before. I'm gonna start making them. I'll probably make them every day. So y'all make sure y'all just pay attention to what's going on. Y'all know my studio's in the back. I put my headphones on because I wanted to see was it too much feedback on the microphone. So obviously everything is good. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to this document again. All right, so here it is. Now, so what I'm trying to get you to see is that what I do is I take the documents from Westlaw and I post them inside our group on our membership site. Okay, so right here, you're looking up here, we see this is our mandamus. So the petition for application for a writ of mandamus to compel state board to restore license to corporation or for a review or a retrial. Okay, so now we don't need that because you know this is not about restoring a license. So right here, a decedent, a complaint for mandamus, refusal of records affidavit, or heirship deeds contrary to law. Okay, so we don't need that one. See, we see this is about zoning. We don't need this one. You see, this one's about consumer protection ordinance, comprehensive right here. Now, some people may ask a question about that because they citation should mean written. See, it says something about citation here in the citation, but it's about the Board of County Commissioners. And it says, for the purpose of this ordinance, the following terms shall be the meanings as indicated. No attempt is made to define any words which are in accordance with their established jurisdictionary meaning itself when necessary to avoid. So he's just giving you a prelude to that. Now, I'll take it and give it to her in case someone needs that. A complaint, petition, and declaration by auctioneer against auctioneer. So nothing's being auctioned right now. So this is civil service right here. Complaint, petition, and declaration to recover damages for unlawful dismissal, violation of plaintiff's constitutional rights against municipal corporation and members of the Civil Service Commission. Now, I'm going to put that in the download section in the Westlaw part anyway, just so you all can see it for yourself, okay? I'm going to put that in there. All right, proposed order on a motion to dismiss, failure to notify, what's this, abutters? Abutters, okay. Roadway abandoned as to maintenance, okay. I got it on my big screen here, but it's on my small screen, right? I'm going to make that bigger. So I know it should be better for you all to see, hopefully. I hope it's not too big for y'all. Okay, there we go. That might be a little too big, so let's go ahead. There we go. All right. So we don't need anything because this is about municipal corporations. You got the affidavit right here. It's the affidavit by a public official in support of a motion to dismiss complaint by municipality, open meeting violation. And some people might need this. You got someone with the municipal court, let me know. I'll make sure I get that document for you. This right here is public land, a complaint in federal court. Land exchange property approved by the U.S. Department of Interior and Bureau of Land Management. Okay, if you got something going on with these cats, you got to answer for that. This right here is sheriff. So it's a motion to dismiss complaint, failure to state cause of action, reasonable force used in making arrest. Now, you remember that the same picture that homeboy is showing you when I had the little jail uniform on was for a traffic ticket, turned on a red light, and they take a picture of you at 3 o'clock in the morning. So if I wanted to do something against him, I would have filed something close to this. Reasonable force used in making arrest. I'm going to put that inside there too in case you did get arrested in municipality, okay? Now, let's see what we got over here. What's this flying in here? Alright, so the next one on here is to administrative law. So a complaint, petition, a declaration by a license holder against administrative agency to enjoin further proceedings to suspend or revoke license, attempt to suspend or revoke license on grounds not listed in statute authorizing suspension or revocation of license. Now we're gonna get that inside there in case you lost your license, okay? Or you gave it back to them like I did. So make sure I put that in there. Affidavit by town councilor. This is our municipal court. So in support of a motion to dismiss complaint by municipality open meeting violation, we read that earlier. Petition application for a writ of mandamus to compel municipal board to reinstate police officer summarily removed, removed, and we don't care nothing about that. So, petition application by insurance company. So this is about insurance, and if you got a problem with insurance, you let me know. There's a whole lot of stuff in here about insurance I can give to you. So, as you see, I checked these boxes. These boxes are going to be in the download. So when I download these, they're going straight on that page, okay? All right, so let's go to 4. And how you going to know that we're going to get the right documents? Because you're going to look right here and see 19 selected. So all those going to be downloaded. All I'm going to do is go over here and download it, okay? All right, so this is our Fed right here. So a motion to dismiss writ of garnishment, property held in custody by clerk not subject to a writ. So if you go into federal court, I'll download this from municipal stuff and give it to you. Now, the 62 is the motion to dismiss appeal, failure to exhaust administrative remedies, no prior appeal for or to reviewing administrative body or official. So this is going to be administrative law. Right here, this is concerning schools. We don't need that, but if you do need it and you screenshot this and you tell me you need that, I'll make sure I send it to you. You can screenshot anything, tell me you need it, I'll make sure you get it. Okay, this is Fed right here, motion for summary judgment, misuse of campaign funds by defendant, okay? Misuse of campaign funds by defendants. They all do that, so, I mean, I don't know, what's the big deal? They all do that, so. All right, so right here is schools, we don't need that right now. Judgment or creed for registration of title, uncontested action. Complaint, a petition or declaration for injunction against state licensed attorney to enjoin further proceeding to suspend or revoke license. Judgment arising from performance of services for which license was required was discharged in bankruptcy, okay? All right, licenses. Remember I told y'all about those licenses. It's best for you to find an attorney with a license to practice law and make sure they show it to you before you hire them, okay? They got to show you their license. Okay, this right here, anti-discrimination, comprehensive ordinance. A complaint, petition, or declaration by state against county attorney to secure forfeiture of office for misconduct and not prosecuting liquor law violations. Yeah, for sure. You see they own it. They got it in here. Trial court order on simulator thermometer issue. So that's in King County, Washington. In the criminal and civil second edition, drunk driving case right here. Right here, this is schools. This is municipal again. It's a construction affirmative action survey. Answer by the municipality, variance granted on specified conditions, and that's for zoning. This right here is mandamus. Petition or application for a writ of mandamus to compel school board district and board to reinstate teacher. We don't care about that. All right, we're not looking for that. That's zoning. This is a lease right here. Lease or municipal land, pure area and water area for maritime historical park facility. We don't need that. Pain clinics. And then right here, we back at the bankruptcy part, complaint, petition, and declaration for injunction against state regulatory board to enjoin further proceedings to suspend and revoke architect's license. It's an answer to a complaint by a public officer failure to reappoint zoning. Again, zone, public officer, public office right here. Then right here, it's prohibition right here. So it's petition or application for a writ of prohibition against commission. No jurisdiction to entertain appeal from county board. And then the last page right here, when I click on these, I'm going to download those and I'm going to put them inside on our website so that when you go into this part of the website, if you're a member, when you go to the website, you're going to see a folder down here say Westlaw. When you see that folder say Westlaw, that is the folder that you click on and get these documents concerning municipalities and traffic tickets, okay? Stuff like that. I'm giving you the basis of a lawsuit if somebody gave you a traffic ticket, because the officer cannot be the complaining part or any witness in issue of summons. Okay? If you don't know how to do abatements, this is what you're gonna need these documents for. If you go past that 3-point cooling off period, they call it the 3-day, I call it that. You got 3 days to rescind any contract that offer that they give you. So if you go beyond that 3 days, you need to get these documents to resolve the issue. And basically, I'm just trying to get you used to the documents so you can know exactly if you have a valid claim for where you can be compensated for, or you might have to take it to equity court, which they can resolve the issue in all fairness. There's no monetary value in equity court. It's just they're gonna rule on the common law variation of fairness and equality. So remember, equity court always resolve issues. There's no injured party, and you don't want any monetary damages. Okay. You go to equity court, get a ruling, and you take that to federal court and get the monetary damages from the equity court ruling. Okay? All right. So now, this right here is municipal again. This is for schools. This is for schools. This is for civil service. A complaint, petition, and declaration for injunction to restrain civil service commission from discharging an employee. Dismissal by department head required under rules and regulations. Whistleblower reporting and anti-retaliation policy right here. Equal opportunity access. Construction. Landlord-tenant with tenant rights. So if you get an eviction, I'll get this to you. Now this is Texas now, so you got to ask for your state. But this right here is Texas, because of course I'm a Texas paralegal guy. So we talking about Texas right now. But if you want your state information, just make sure you become a member. And let me know. And when you click on Westlaw, you click on traffic tickets, it's going to have the documents for your state. Okay? I'm working on that right now. That's why I'm going to start back doing my live videos again. I want to make sure the site was straight. Okay. So answer. Special assessment for dam is reasonable. That it got something to do with state land property stuff. Answer in federal court by Public Service Commission to complaint alleging wrongful approval or amendment to agreement with competing telephone service provider. AT&T crap, long time ago, AT&T had a monopoly on the dial tone, and the Department of Justice broke them up into baby bells. So there's stuff like that. You want to remember that, okay? This eminent domain, you don't have to worry about that right now. Schools. Leased by school to public, contract to demolish building, firefighters union, extended leaves of absence for teachers, general assistance program, and the last one is complaint, petition, and declaration grading and developing hillside land in a natural state causing landslide. I can't talk this early morning. Exacerbated by seepage and municipal water system against adjoining landowners, municipality, and municipal water authorities. That's something inside the city. Now, I found all these documents right here inside the Texas Municipal Law Finder. Now, I go over here. See this right here? I can keep this on the list. I can also do this, ask for more detail, the most detail. Right here, I can give you a link to it, so you can download this from Westlaw. I can put it inside a folder, or I can download it. See, so I can download it, print it, email it, send it to a Dropbox, or send it to a Kindle. So for this exercise, I'm going to download it, okay? And then these documents are going to be inside your membership. So why would you want to go to these gurus and talk to them if they can't do this, okay? They can't even do this. Okay? They got to be able to do this. All right? Let me go and check the layout and limits. Yeah, I want to do that. Yeah, standing. I'm gonna get all this. Cover page comment. Oh, I ain't gonna make a comment right now. I got to look at it. So we're gonna download this, and I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go. Okay. Now I can minimize this when I continue researching, but I just want to show you what's going on so you can understand why it'll be haters that hate on it. You know, it's haters that hate on this. You want to chat? Go ahead and chat with me. This is about Texas Municipal Law. That's what we're talking about right now inside Westlaw, Thompson Reuters Westlaw. You gotta be a paralegal, legal experience, or something like that in order for you to be able to get Westlaw account with the services and stuff that I have. So this compressed folder, you see this is legal, Westlaw 2024. I'm putting these documents inside here. Okay. Now those documents is gonna come up. I'm gonna show you that window so you can see that the documents went inside there. So let's go over here. And I'm going to drag this over here. So that's the right to retention. And you see these documents I just downloaded? This is what's inside here. And look, I got to unzip it, of course. Let's go ahead and unzip it. So that way I ain't got to be waiting for this stuff. I'm going to unzip this. All right. Let's X out of that. And then these are the documents I just downloaded from Westlaw. Remember I told you that? I said I'm going to download these and I'm going to show it to you. Come on, where my preview at? There we go. See? That's what the document looks like on your side. That's what I'm telling you. You think that a paralegal job is hard. This is what the document looks like on your side. You got to take that and make that a full document. So I'm giving you the information that needs to be on there. But if you want me to do it, it'll have a caption up here. The place where you're filing that. It'll have the defendant, the plaintiff and the defendant information on there. It will also have the court where you're filing that, the nature and cause of your complaint, the causes, the everything that you're gonna hold on a second, y'all. Goodness. Every single thing that you want to put inside your lawsuit, you have to take this document itself and form this to be able to file in court. So that's why that's the main reason why lawyers charge so much. They charge so much because they say to themselves that, hey, it's gonna take me a long time to put this together, and they don't have a good paralegal, they probably not gonna do it. So that's the main reason why lawyers charge so much, because when we see the documents, when we see the documents, this is what you are seeing. This is what it looks like when you see the document. See? So you gotta take this document right here, and you have to put everything that's supposed to go on top right here. You got to put everything inside there that's supposed to go, the motion to dismiss, all this information right here. If you don't have an attorney with a license, you ain't got to put that on there. You just put yourself on that sui juris. Do not put pro se, pro per. You put sui juris, S-U-I, second word, J-U-R-I-S, okay? So these are what the documents look like. That's what you're going to be getting. So you look at this and say, this is all I need for the documents? Yes. That's what you need. Right here. Motion to dismiss action, review a parking ticket. See? These are all traffic violation stuff. Lack of jurisdiction. You got to have all this stuff inside here. And these documents are going to go into the same page I just showed you. It's going to go right inside this on the Westlaw. It's going to be under the state of Texas. If you want something for your state, you make sure you join and become a member and tell me, hey, I'm in California, I'm in Colorado, I'm wherever I'm at, I need a copy of the traffic tickets. Or you can go to our download section and an Equity University. Once I finish with that, it's gonna let you be able to download all the abatement documents, abatements for houses, property, cars, easements, all kind of stuff you have inside there. You're gonna be able to do an abatements. It's all the possible abatements. I may do a ebook called Abatements. Okay, abatements only. Yeah, I think so. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna formulate an ebook for you all and call it Abatements Only. And my next one is coming up is discharging all your debts and equity. If you didn't get the first one, the first book, let me show you where you can go get it at, okay? So if you want to get the first book, you can go right here. All right? I can put the link inside the chat if you need to get it. This is where the first book is at, right here, okay? You can go right here and download this book. Now, if you had pre-ordered it from our group, you would have been able to get this with the documents that came along with it. So I just put it inside the chat for you. If you're looking live, I just put it inside the chat so you can have it. But that is the first one. I got part 2 that's coming up. That's going to go a little bit more in detail to show you how to navigate through the system and equity. But you know, it's by discharging your debts and equity. But I'm going to show you how to disqualify these people. I mean, the first book tells you, goes a little bit in details about how everything works. The second book is going to give you more details on how to discharge debts and your QSIP number and all the other good stuff. Now, y'all know I don't do any guru stuff. I don't do no kind of guru stuff. So when it comes to me getting stuff done, I don't do gurus. So I do exactly what I know that the law said that needs to be done in order for you to discharge your debts. And you don't have to discharge your debts in Federal Reserve notes. And I know how it is. You don't need no Federal Reserve notes. I'd rather for you to use your social and get the credit and use the credit and keep your sweat equity. So if you got to go clock in a job, keep that. Put that in your bank account. Use your credit that they extended to you. They extended the credit to you. You gave your Social Security number, they extended the credit to you. Use that. I mean, use it. It's yours. Right? Just use it. All right? So let's go back over here again. So we're going to go to all content right here. And I'm going to just kind of show you a little bit. Now, say for instance, somebody come along and they say, hey, I have a car loan, or I have a mortgage. So what do I have to look up? I mean, you can just tell me what you need. These are all the jurisdictions and they're all the practice areas and everything. I can show you all that too. So you just tell me what you need. Now we're gonna go back to here. Now this is the best thing I like about it because you got the AI assisted research. So right now the jurisdiction is all federal right here. So I type in the legal research question I'm asking for. Can you discharge a mortgage without Federal Reserve notes, for instance? So I put that inside there and then let it tell me what it is. You can read more about it and we can try claims examiner too. Now these are the documents right here. Outline Builder, the AI assisted research, Claims Explorer, Next Generation Key Site, Geographical View of History, Outline Builder, of course I just said that, Quick Check, Litigation Analysis, Jurisdictional Surveys, and Compare Text. Now on the Quick Check, the best thing about this is that you can upload a PDF or a Word document that someone gave you, and I can put it inside here and do a quick check on it and allow Westlaw to tell me if the citations inside your document have already been decided, and they're putting stuff on it. Like for instance, you get some stuff from some gurus, they'll have all these case laws on here saying that you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, and they depend on those case laws. When you see yellow flags by those case laws and green flags by those you see yellow flags, that means it's moderate. You see a red flag, that means it's negative treatment. The yellow flag is moderate treatment. That means that it's probably not good to use it because it's probably going to be overruled. And then a green one, it means that whatever happened in that case, it came out in the outcome of the petitioner or the defendant, whoever did it. Now, don't forget, when you go to court, there's no injured party. They should not be calling you a defendant. They should be calling you a respondent. So make sure if you got to go to court and they say the defendant, you make sure you correct them and tell them that you are a respondent. Okay, you are not a defendant. All right, you're a respondent. You want to tell them that. I am not defending here. There's no injured party. You are not a defendant because there's no injured party. So that you should not be worrying about them trying to bring a claim against your Social Security number, because if you allow them to call you a defendant, you're probably going to lose. But if you correct the record and say, I'm not a defendant, I'm a respondent, there's no injured party here. They say, well, that's our process and that's how we do stuff. Okay, well, what kind of court system is this? Is this a civil or criminal court? Okay, what jurisdiction is this? Is it amity court, statutory court, or common law? Okay, so is this so-called is this a
a misdemeanor or felony. Okay, you start asking those questions when they try to tell you stuff like you ask for a jury trial inside a municipal court, and they tell you that no, you can't have a jury trial. If I'm not entitled to the jury trial, then I need to question the court that I'm in. I don't understand the nature and cause of the charge, the nature and causes of the charges, if I can have a jury trial. So you start asking those questions. That's inside the Discharge All Your Debts and Equity ebook that I put out there for you. A lot of people, if you go to the Facebook group, you'll see a lot of people comment on that book. They say they liked it, they loved it. Okay, so I mean, I'll take y'all to that page shortly, so you can see for yourself. Actually, let's go right here and right now. All right. So if you just so you can see what the equity discharge. See, it's right here. I posted right here, so everybody can see live right now. If they want to watch it, they can watch it live. We're gonna go to the group right here, and that's Discharge All Your Debts and Equity 2. See, I put the video right there. Let me go to the Discharge All Your Debts and Equity group right here, and I just want you to see this. It's got 7.2K members. So everybody that sees this video after the fact, you all 7.2 members of you need to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm telling you now, if you see this video, you need to go and subscribe to it. Okay, let's go ahead and do what you got to do. Let's go ahead and get have YouTube channel where I can monetize and then put all of our advertising in there. You know, all of the PMA advertisement in there. Okay. All right. Let me make sure that link was in there, because I definitely don't see the link. Okay, and that's the stuff about the ebook. But let me make sure the link to this YouTube live video was being posted. It's right here. So there it is. All right, that's why I told you earlier I was doing. So let's go to this post right here. Let's go to this post. All right, give me a second. All right, because you see right here, review the ebook, Discharge All Your Debts and Equity. Click here to give a public review. So you can click there, and you'll end up going here, and all you got to do is say, I want to give a review. Now, you know the troll is going to come here and try to do their thing, but that's the best thing provided. They ain't never got the book. I don't think that they'll let you post if you didn't buy the book anyway. So it doesn't make a difference. All right, so you go there and you just click on reviews. You click on write a review right there. Of course, that box is going to open. You put your information right there. I'm not a robot. Click submit, and anybody that come look for this book is going to see your comments. Now, if you want to look inside, it's right here. You can click right here to look inside the book. I give you a free preview of the first 10 pages of it. So if you want to take a look at it, just do it. Look inside right here. When you get through, give it a rating. You know. So that's why I wanted to show you that. But everything that I put it coming from Westlaw gonna be inside this, inside the membership on the motion practice right here. Okay. All right. So this content type right here. So these are all the areas that we have access to as a private member association. So we got, of course, you got form, you got state material, federal material, practice area, all this other stuff up here. Now let's go to federal material right here. For your requests, all that stuff is in here. So if I want to send YouTube this information concerning the channel I was telling you about, that troll, this is where I'm gonna do it at. And I'm going to take it in equity court first, so we can get the fairness doctrine in there. And then I'm going to take it to federal court and sue them for the monetary damages, okay? Equity court is just to resolve the issue, non-monetary, okay? These are the states. You see they got Guam and the northern Mariana Islands, Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, and Virgin Islands right there. Practice areas, look at this. Say commercial law. You see that? Construction law. See that? Bankruptcy, antitrust, amity, and maritime. Okay, there you go. Criminal law. I mean, just look at this. State planning, family law. I mean, everything is inside this Westlaw account. There's nothing no issue that you have that I can't resolve. Okay, that's the main reason why you have to have a law firm, or you got to have someone that has access to Westlaw. And that's what we do here. Now, right over here, the drafting assistant will allow you to upload a document you started on. It'll read the captions, the headings, and everything, and it'll tell you the document that you're drafting looks like this document. Would you like to pull up the version of what you're trying to draft? And it would actually pull you up a version and import the information that you had in your document onto that document, and you can use AI to complete it. So that's what I'm telling you now. This is easier than what you think it is. Westlaw Today's information on Westlaw Today, it's telling you about everything that's happening, give you a whole bunch of headlines of what's happening. West Legal Ed Center right here. This is where we give my classes inside the membership. If you want to get more information on the law, you want to go here, because when I go to West Legal Ed Center, that's where you're going to get your training from. Now, I want to show you this right here is the Westlaw Form Builder. I showed you all this before, actually about 6-7 years ago. I showed you this before, and I think it's just probably logged me out. Let me see. Oh, I got to log in again under that temporary settings because of what? Oh, I've seeded my wrist. Oh, I seeded it because I had it open all day. No problem. I'll get back to that later. But the Westlaw is how we build the documents. That's how we build it. Okay, we build everything. I exceeded it because it's been open all day, helping people with their cases. And this is the one I want to show y'all, because this is like under my trial account, to show you all everything without my information appearing up there. Stuff like that. It's just protection. People have gotten hacked. I don't know if you heard about someone hacked the Social Security Administration, got everybody's Social Security number. What y'all gonna do about that? That's what I thought. What you gonna do about it? Alright, I hope y'all can hear me good. Alright. So, Form Builder, I'll do that tomorrow for you. But this is where everything happens at right here. Okay? This is where everything happens. So we're gonna the Westlaw Today. I'm gonna get a better microphone. Y'all got to worry. The humming noise that y'all hear, I'm gonna get a way better microphone than this. I normally, when I'm in the radio station, I have this microphone upside down like this, like right in front of me. So I never have to worry about this humming noise y'all hear in the background. But I just picked it up. I picked the mic up so y'all can hear me clearly, but it's just too much noise in the background. But I'll fix that, because I'm gonna do it in the studio next time and not inside my recording studio. Okay? Alright, so this right here is Westlaw Today. It said we update our terms. So I can click out of that, and I ain't signed in yet. So it tells you right here, Montana judges pauses suit alleging BNSF trains kills grizzlies. Okay? So I mean, it's all this stuff inside here. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff inside. That's what you get when you're inside Westlaw. Okay? Now, we're going to go over to Westlaw Legal Ed Center. See right here, I ain't signed in yet, but this is where you get the wealth of knowledge from. Besides the American Bar Association, you can come here. Look, taking defending depositions, strategies, techniques, part 3, corporate and expert depositions, $260 right here. These are on-demand programs. You can come on here and learn, and when they teach me something, I'm gonna come tell you. So, harnessing the power of AI software and non-stenographic depositions, $200. I take this class, I tell you what happens inside the class. Okay, this is on demand right now. So you're gonna learn exactly what I'm paying for, and you just a member, and you're gonna learn from me just by being a member. Okay, that's what's up. You're gonna learn by me just by being a member. You're gonna learn. Okay. Now, again, you can search for whatever you want to search for. So, say right here, brainstorm possible claims by finding statutes and common law causes of actions for future research. So let's just click on this. Because remember, this is a lot of stuff they add. So it says jumpstart your work with AI assisted research. Welcome. Ask a legal research question just the way you think about it. Just the way you think about it, as if you were giving instruction to a colleague. Please see our tips for the best result. For questions this feature does not yet support, and suggestions for improving results. AI-assisted research uses large language models and can occasionally produce inaccuracies. That's why you got to do your research. So it should always be used as a part of a research process in connection with the additional research, where primary resources are checked to fully understand the nuance of the issues and further improve accuracies. Okay, so this right here say all federal. So what if you are in the state of you see right, say military courts. I told you that. See federal district court. You see all this in here, and these are the circuits, and the federal circuits down here. So let's say, for instance, you are in. Let's pick on Louisiana because they lost and messed up. So I can also include federal court. So you're in Louisiana. All right. So I'm gonna do research on. Let's see. What that case Lauren had in Louisiana, which was obstruction of justice. So let's see let me see if we can find. I'm sorry, y'all. This early in the morning. Obstruction of justice. Definition. And let's see what happens. Now, it's the first time I'm using this one because I do my own research in a way, but since they got this AI thing, it's awesome. It look right, let you download it, and then right there you can select a folder to put it in. So I'm just loving this. It's so easy. It's easy. Now that they put the AI inside here, so I can understand why they charge so much for it, but I like it, so I love it because it's kind of like getting the same result, but kind of make sure AI is helping you get that result faster. That's all. So it'd be stuff filed in court fast here. That's it. Okay. So I can say email me when the response is ready, or I can just wait a few minutes. So we're gonna wait a few minutes to do that. In the meantime, right here, this is what I showed you earlier about the group. Let me see, and everybody say they like it. So y'all know you're saying. If you like it hard home, you should be on this YouTube channel listening right now. All right. So this is the ebook. So 40% people say I love it. Awesome work. I voted because I loved it because I created it. It was quite informative for part 1. Can't wait to part 2. 25%. And 0% say I didn't like it. I'm a hater too. They didn't pick that. 30% say didn't purchase it yet. Where's the link, please? And then 5% say my payment is pending because of my PayPal, my pay period or whatever. And then everything goes through PayPal. And as you can see, they ask the questions right here. This top comments right here. We're gonna put all comments. And it's gonna say, I don't know why you say sorry right there. I purchased on August 1, but I still have not received it. Yeah, because it comes automatically to you in email, so I can't control the email that you send it to, of course. So this what we go to and vote for if you like the book, or you can go to the page right here. I just posted inside the chat, and you can give your review right there, and you can purchase it right here without the documents right here. And I'm gonna have part 2 coming up soon. If you want to look inside it, you can click right here, a free preview of the first 10 pages of it. Look inside there and see what it's about, and then go ahead and get it. Okay? It's not that hard to do. Let's go back over here. Now the AI is just finished. So let's see what we got here. The definition of obstruction of justice involves action that interferes with the legal and judicial processes in Pugin versus Garland, 599 U.S. 600 2023. It's just a year ago. This is characterized by efforts to influence, intimidate, or impede the administration of justice, particularly involving witnesses, jurors, and officers of the court. Okay? Obstruction of justice is defined explicitly as willfully interfering with the process of justice in the law, especially by influencing, threatening, harming, or impeding a potential witness, juror, or judicial or legal officer, or by furnishing false information or otherwise impeding the investigation of a legal process. Okay, the statutory language emphasizes the significance of the intent to obstruct, specifying that actions must be done corruptly or with threats of force. Furthermore, it's important that such endeavors or attempts to obstruct justice need not be successful to constitute an offense. And as you can see right here, I told you before, if you see a yellow flag right here, you see what that means? You see that what it says right there? It's a yellow. U.S. versus Jeter. It is a yellow flag, which means I wouldn't use that if I was you, because it got the yellow flag by it. Okay, that means it's not going to be a strong enough case to stand on if you're trying to start something new. I wouldn't stand on a case that information to try to justify filing a new cause of action. Okay. All right. So the statutes and cases also highlight that obstruction can occur in various forms, limited only by criminally inclined imagination, and are purported broad to encompass various types of obstruction behavior. The obstruction statute, 18 U.S.C.A. 1503, indicates an ominous cause which covers actions that are corruptly or by threats of force or by threatening letter or communication influence, obstruct, impede, or endeavor to influence, obstruct, and impede the due administration of justice. And that's got the yellow flag by it. This is significant because even attempts that don't successfully obstruct justice can still violate the statute, which is broad. As you see right here, overall, obstruction of justice is broadly defined crime aimed at safeguarding the integrity of the judicial process by criminalizing actions that will unduly influence, delay, or obstruct legal proceedings. Bunch of crap. How are you going to sit up and determine if you have a probable cause for you to understand if justice is even being served in order for you to obstruct it? It's just too broad, and I want to do something about that. This case right here is the one that was filed in 2023. It's still in court right now. They probably ain't going to come up with a decision, but it's in the Supreme Court of the United States right here. That's where it's at. This case right here, the yellow flag, go ahead and ignore it because you can get certain things out there that you can use, but you can't use it all. Then this USA versus Vasnats in 2002 right here. You want to ignore that because remember that's the one that got the yellow flag for it. It was filed in 2021. You can ignore that. You can read them. You can read them, but I wouldn't use them as case law for your case. Okay. This right here was filed on December 6, 2023. The United States versus Sutton, and this is about obstruction of justice. So you might want to read that one. And then U.S. versus Richardson was filed way back in 2012. It's got a yellow flag by it. U.S. versus Bond was filed in 1999. You want to read that. And then, of course, you see the yellow flag. U.S. versus Barati. U.S. versus Brenson. And this is U.S. bringing the lawsuits against people. Is U.S. an injured party or real entity or not? Okay? U.S. versus Fulbright. Now, if I'm correct, this is Fulbright law firm, the biggest law firm in America in 1997. And this is end up in the United States Court of Appeals in the Ninth Circuit. You can read that if you want to. It has this flag by it. It says overruled in part for U.S. versus Fulbright. So when U.S. brought their information against them, it was overruled in part for the U.S. So this case right here was overruled. We just got to go inside there and see who's the petitioner and who's the defendant to understand what the overruling happened. You open it up. In this case, I can open it, look at it right now, and to tell me exactly what it is. Administrative decision and guidance. The matter of Fernando Cordero Garcia responded in 2019, yellow flag. Right here, Trong Dan Hung, right, 2009, yellow flag. Yellow flag. See what I'm saying? You don't want to use those. Secondary sources. Obstruction of justice, tamper with evidence in RS 14130.1A1. This is Louisiana. Remember I told you I looked up Louisiana. So this is what Lauren needed in his case when he went into the district court and they charged him with obstruction of justice, and he wasn't obstructed justice. He had full custody of his daughter. He moved from Ohio to Louisiana, and the mother went and filed a fraudulent affidavit saying that he absconded with the child. Absconded with the child, y'all. She said he absconded with the child. He got custody of the child in 2017. They didn't leave Ohio until the end of 2019. She said she couldn't get in contact with him since 2018. And she claims she sent mail to his house. So when they got to his house, they signed a fraudulent affidavit, and they went and took his child in Louisiana. And we got a case pending right now in federal court. So, Lauren Michael Reynolds, look it up. It's in the Southern District of Texas. Okay. What constitutes aggravated felony for which alien can be deported or removed? So you can read this. This whole lot. I can download all this stuff and give it to you. Retaliation right here, obstruction of justice, and this is all Louisiana stuff now. And then right here, the news. And another thing, I can go right here and ask AI another question. I can start a new research, and I can keep going from where I'm at. But these cases right here, I can't use in this case. I cannot use these yellow flag cases. You know what I'm saying? Researching causes of action, the claim explorer. See? Right, the same exact thing that we just did. I just type in a bunch of sentences on how we're going to get that done. Okay? Now, that's another thing about having Westlaw. Okay? Not just for the form builder. Now, remember that that it's also good for the AI research because, as you can see yourself, the AI assisted research right here, claims explorer, these are new. The quick check. Give me your document and let me put it inside this inside here and see if your document is legit that you get from these gurus. Okay? Send it to me and let me take a look at it, and I can tell you if the document is correct from these gurus or not. Okay? I can tell you. All right? So make sure you do that. All right. I just want to do this quick video right quick to let you all know that we do have haters. They saying I'm a fake paralegal, I'm a guru. Ignore that crap. They don't know what they're talking about. Everybody wants to stick on the sins of the past. And God, I'm glad God forgave us of all our sins. Because if God hold our sins over our head, where would we be? And we didn't have a Savior. Where would we be if He held our sins over our head? So, gurus, keep doing your job. You make me more popular. I really do appreciate you for making me popular because, I mean, you're doing it. I don't have to do too much of nothing. Just let his thing. Go ahead and do your thing, guru. Yeah, I'm loving it. The extra customers coming through and using our services. So keep doing your thing. Now, before we get out of here, I want to make sure I take you over to let me see. All right, estate planning. So I can use this as my start page, or I can add to my favorites. So I haven't did that because this is just a trial account for me to show you all this stuff. So this Lipman's estate planning right here, you just choose the jurisdiction. So wherever state you're in, that's where we will go, and that's where we create your documents, your trust. Okay. Right now we're gonna go to forms. Okay, to make it a lot easier, let's go to forms. All right. So forms by state, or I can just go down here to trust, wills, executors, administrators, trust, wills right here. This is American jurisprudence, pleadings and practice forms for wills. Family estate planning guide forms right here. Estate planning, tax analysis right here, and these are legal forms. See, and different people that make these forms for you. So you in the state of let's just say you in the state of California. Say you're in the state of California, we're going to go there and see what they have for California. Now we're going to search for it. We're going to say, we're looking for documents of, let's say you're looking for a revocable trust. So we're going to do revocable. And then any of these terms, living, and then this exact phrase, which is trust. So we're going to hit enter, and let's see what comes up. Okay. These are the letters in California that's involving the revocable living trust. So it's a letter to client regarding estate planning documents and finding your revocable living trust. Okay, you're looking for this. This is the revocable living trust right here. Okay. Recommendations. The appendix instructions for signing the living will declaration, your fee schedule. Remember I told you about that fee schedule, and this also includes your revocable living trust, pour-over wills, doable power of attorneys, and all this other stuff. All that come inside your fee schedule. Pour-over trust is the same exact thing. If you want just everything to pour over to someone else's trust or to your beneficiaries only, you just set it up to where it's gonna. If you pass away, your deceased is just automatic pour over into the however you have it set up, okay? Building approach 2, instructions for assigning living trust amendment certificate of information. Now, all I do is take the documents, amended living trust, for instance. I just take these documents and put them together, what you need, and then I enter your information, make you a client by putting your information inside here, and then open the document up. It's gonna automatically populate your information. All I gotta do is tell it where I need for it to go. So whoever the account name is under, they're gonna be the grantor. If they want to be a beneficiary, the grantor and the beneficiary, or the grantor and the trustee in a revocable living trust, you can do that. You can have two positions, but you can't have three. You can be a grantor, a trustee, a grantor, and a beneficiary. You can be a trustee and a beneficiary. You can be a beneficiary and a grantor, but but you can't be all three. Okay, and in revocable living trust, you can have two positions in there. So I find the document that you need for your estate, and see what it is, and find out what I need. And if I have to keep searching, that's what I have to do. Keep searching until I find what you need for your state of California. Okay, that's what you do. Now, if I go to Lippman's estate planning, this will be a hell of a lot easier. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. We're gonna go back, and we're gonna go under estate planning. And Lippman's, okay. So Lippman's right here. Now I can avoid all this and just put all a selected jurisdiction. I mean, I can select them one by one, or I just go with Lippman's. Okay, so let's go with forms. And right here, down here, and over here, Lippman's estate planning right here, state specific for Lippman's estate planning collection. Okay, it's Westlaw form builder right there. I use mine all up to date because I'll be in here all day on that. Okay, you choose the estate planning documents by state. That's what you do. That's how you make sure your stuff is correct. Okay. Why I don't see Lippman's on here? It's beyond me. Family estate planning guide forms. Let's just go here. Legal forms for trust. So these are the same thing you look at. You can see what's in the document. So the declaration of the trust in general, the scope, introductory comment, drafting guides, right here. The grantor, declaration of trust, general form, truster as life beneficiary, division into marital deduction and residuary. It's too late, too early in the morning. Residuary, it's killing this thing tonight. Trust at the death of the trustor, revocable by trustor. Trust to hold insurance policies, and my trust have insurance policies in there. So trust me, yeah, it's boss too. Declaration of trust by grantee. Declaration of trust by grantee, husband and wife as joint grantors in life beneficiaries. Declaration of trust of real property, title, holding trust. Okay, it's also the other transfers or conveyance in the trust. In general, is there information about it, and then transfer of personal property. See that? Assignment of money, personal property by husband and wife, assignment of goods, additional property, all this stuff is inside. Joint payments to donors, followed by payments to survivor, funded by jointly owned property, husband and wife. Securities transfer letter of revocable living trust. See, all this stuff is in here. Everything is in here that you need. Now, you say to yourself, well, yeah, that's easy to say that, but, what does it actually look like inside there? Because you just type in there. How do we know you have access to that? That's a good question. So let's go over to, for instance, let's go to Declaration of Trust. That's what it looks like. Okay? So you got a revocable living trust, you got a declaration of trust. This is the general form. Now, what's easy about this right here is that I can just download this and give it to you. But will you fill it out correctly according to your state? Or are you just going to take this one? Okay? Right here, the same thing. I can download it right here. I can send you a link to it. I can edit it right here on the spot. In Form Builder, you can draft a document in Form Builder. Okay, so that's the main reason I wanted to show you that, because I want to make sure that you do understand that I don't know how many paralegals that don't have access to this information. Okay. Um, Let me see. I think I missed Lippman's. I saw it somewhere though. I did see it somewhere. I don't know. I was moving too fast, but it would have been on the estate plan in the first place. Um, mm, yeah, I was moving too fast, and I don't see Lippman's, but I know it's in here though. That's what I use. All right, you got trial court documents, briefs, cases concerning this same subject of estate planning. Okay. All right, and so but Lippman's individual state is right here. So I think if you just choose all a selected jurisdiction, it's gonna be all of them. Okay, so let's just do that. Search. Oh, that's right. I got to get the form bill, and I have seeded it because I've been using it all day today. So I will go to that. We'll go to estate planning when we get a form bill. That's probably why I can't get to it now, because I've been using it all day. So now, if you see this video after the fact, you make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment on the videos, so we can get this channel back popping again. I want to get this channel back to where it was before I took it down and took it over to Rumble. If you go to Rumble, you look up Texas Paralegal Guide, it's going to take you to our Rumble channel on the Global Communication ENT. Okay? And you can look at the old videos from the People's Note and the official People's Note when I had that a long time ago on our own server. And this guy I trusted took the server down. I don't know, maybe he might be working with the troll. Took the server down, so I had to start back over at Global Communication ENT.org, because it's supposed to be a non-profit. Okay? All right. With that being said, I am Zay McMillhouse, and Texas Paralegal Guide. Thank you for joining my channel. Go ahead and tell your friends. Send a link to your friends. Invite them to the channel and let them know, hey, this paralegal guy got access to Westlaw. He's been having access to Westlaw for a long time. He's with the American Bar Association. Why don't you go ahead and join? Get them. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I heard a loud noise out here. And get them to join and be a part of the channel. And if you want to become a member, the website is globalcommunicationent.org. You go to join the PMA, and I'm going to put that link in there. You go join the PMA, and then you ask for a password to access the document. Okay? I'm going to put that inside the chat right quick. And with that being said, I'm gonna go give me some rest so I can continue. I can start working on doing more YouTube videos. Okay, I'm gonna do more live YouTube videos, and you all are gonna be blessed by what I'm doing. Remember when I told you before about the site? So right here, these documents I just downloaded about the abatement of traffic tickets will be right here on the motion practice in the membership. When you log in, it's right here. Now, I guess I don't want to leave without saying this part. So, of course, this is what I see on the profile, but this stuff right here, when you log in, you won't see it. I'm just administrator, so I'm going to see every link that's on the window. So, let's say, for instance, you go to members. You go to members. You choose the person you want to talk with. So you see the people on here. You see that person online, that person's online, that person's online. They're online right now. Okay? Now, let me show you how this works. Let me see if Anthony's online. Let me see, Miss Kim is online. So what we do is click right here. So you click on the person you want to chat with. Okay? All right. So you go right here. You see that you can add her as a friend, but you can call them. You can make a video call, or you can send them a message. Now notice what happens. You see this little window right here? This is at the bottom on each one of the pages. It's also covered by capture right there, so you don't have to worry about nobody trying to do anything to your profile. So you send a message, and look what happens. This window pops up. You see this? and you can attach a document, something from your camera, something from your device, and also you can send a message and type it in and hit send. You can put emojis in there also. But the best thing about it, see, she's online. The best thing about it, you can make a video call or you can call her. So let me do this here, just so you all how this goes. You see that? I'm calling her right now. See how that works? So that's what I want to show you all. See, she's online, but she's not available. Then you can go right here where I can do this. Block the user, mute the conversation, add new participants, delete the conversation, clear message, erase the conversation. But you can make a video call right here. All you do is have your camera and make a video call to the person. Now let me show you what it looks like. I always trying to access my camera that I'm already on this YouTube channel, so it's not going to show it to me. I'm going to X out of that. Alright, then you X out of here, and you see you still can send them a message. Right here, you see it says she's online. You can see that. But I suggest when you go to the person that you want to add as a friend, just go ahead and add them as a friend. Now, I'm an administrator. I don't know why it's not letting me add friends, but I still can see everybody that's online and all that good stuff. But the only way you're going to be able to see them online is you got to be a member, okay? Alright, and I think the very last thing that we need, I told you about estate planning right here. The notary services are right here. The consultation, donation center, live help operators. See, all this stuff you see on here is because I'm an administrator. That's the asset management team concerning your credit cards. You're going to know all about that before it's all over with. You want to contact us, go to the contact page right here. Step 1, join the PMA. The member login is right there. Let's go right here for a second. Let's go here. Right here, we have upcoming classes. It's going to be here. You can check and see. Okay, following the UCC one online is the last thing. But on this map, when you see something on here, that's what classes are coming up. So if I had scheduled this meeting for the night, it would have been right here. So we're going to have one going tomorrow, and from every day, you're going to know the difference between going to the Facebook group and going to YouTube. You're going to more than likely be going to YouTube all the time. So make sure you pay attention to that. Right here is terminated members. I want to show you this because I want to let you see what happens. Okay? If you get terminated, you're going to show up right here. Okay? You say good vibes only. You show up right here. It tells you what you got terminated for. So before you decide that you want to become a member, you better make sure you know what they was terminated for, because you come and do the same thing, you will be terminated immediately. You'll be terminated immediately if you come in and do anything shady out the ordinary. I'm trying to get this noise in the background for this mic, y'all. See that? I'm trying to get that noise out the background. Now, of course, you know the members, and the members got a super chat right here. So let's click on this. Right here, this is where you can come to talk to other members and send stuff to it, where everyone's going to see it publicly, but you also can click on their name and send them something privately. Okay? Right here. See? So you can come here. It's got 28 participants in there, 3 online right now. And then, I don't know why it's not populating correct, but I'm online, Anthony's online, and Kimberly's online right now. So that's how you know the difference. So you want to talk to Kimberly, send a private message, or you can click right here to promote. I'm an administrator side, so I can promote her to a moderator, block her, kick the participant, mute the user, or ban the user. The same thing you can do on Facebook. But if you want to send a message, that box is going to pop up right there. Okay, that's it. That's the one of the most important things you need to know about the PMA. So that drop down menu, these are all the groups to help you out. Change your status, your trust, get your status correction done, equity, secure party credit, discharge all your debts and equities are all groups. Now right here is your profile. You can see right here that's your account, your joined groups, group member messages, the members client portal, and the members live stream, and the counselor membership. Okay, so we're gonna click on profile. Right here, you can see these are buttons you can use in a member profile. Profile cover, profile avatar, social media networks, view profile, and then home. Then you also can log out right here. So it's not, as you can see in the menu, there's no log out button. You got log out on your profile. So I'm gonna click right here to see this profile. And voila, you see my profile. 1.5K views. And these are the member menu stuff that you can pay attention to. You want to know if your membership is still active or not? Just click here. Log in and click here. It'll tell you right here. That's my email address, my username for this account to show y'all for this video. That's my membership, upgraded 1 student annual membership. Okay? You want to know what groups you're in? Click that. You want to go to the forums? You click that. You want to know what the activity, what you've been doing online, you can just click here. You can see what everybody else has been doing online too at the same time, because it's an activity feed. Okay? In this case, it's basically showing my activity. Okay? You also, these links are personal mentions, favorites, friends, and groups. Make sure you pay attention to that. Media is right here. See right here in your this library has a public one right here, and I think this drop down box, you're gonna make it home or you're gonna go to public right here. So let's click on that. Add new. You drop your files inside it that you want to add. You say what you want it to be, home or you want it to be in the public. If it's home, no one gonna see it but you. If it's public, everybody gonna see it. Okay? And right there, that is something that's on there. Oh, that's a beat I put up there. Them to sue me for nothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off, because I don't want them to say, hey man, you played our music for more than this many seconds, and all that stuff. So that was produced by XXX Productions all the way. So I did upload that into my profile. You can do the same thing with yours. Now, so right here, you got messages right here, and you know you can retrieve your messages right here, because this is yours. Okay, so somebody send you a message from the group or whatever, all your messages from your people is going to show up under your messages right here. Okay, all the people you send messages to or send documents to, you're going to show up in here. Okay, all right, your friends are going to be right there, your invitations and your reviews. So you can be inside the group. If you show a lot of active participation, I can promote you to a moderator. Okay, and that you manage the group yourself. Okay. All right. So that's the key things of the website. I just want to show you right quick. Just join and become a member. You got any questions about anything? You make sure you join and become a member. Talk to other members. See what the experience is like, and you're gonna be good to go here. There's no guru stuff here. Estate planning. You want to join a Facebook group? You click that right here. $2,000 to get your revocable living trust complete with your property transfer, your SPC irrevocable trust, your UCC1 filing, UCC3, and more right there. It's brought to you by Texas Paralegal Guy. You click here to begin to fill out the application. It's going to take you straight to the page to fill it out. And right here it says brought to you by Texas Paralegal Guide. So we're going to click on that so you can look at the Texas Paralegal Guide site so you can kind of see for yourself. See? This is what the site looked like, Texas Paralegal Guide PMA. Okay? So when you join this Texas Paralegal Guide channel, this is where you're going to be at. Alright. I don't know what the hell happened there, but I hope I'm back on here again. Alright, so this is the site right here. TexasParalegalGuide.org. This is what you're joining when you join this YouTube channel. I'm gonna give you access to this website. It's also tell you about Global Communication Entertainment Group and our radio station right here. Users, you can register, but you can't register now, but we'll tell you all about it. And we do have a Patreon. I'll tell you about that also. Okay? Alright. If anyone's on here that has any question or anything inside the chat, let me know what it is right now before we get out of here. And I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. We're gonna do this again. Okay? We definitely gonna do it again. So also right here, you click here to begin on estate planning, and then we're gonna leave it at that. And here's the estate plan questionnaire. You see how much it is in credit to use it. This is your FAQs. You click right here, complete your application. After you make your payment, don't forget to upload your PayPal receipt. Do everything to PayPal to make sure that you get. We tell you what we're gonna get is a one-time $1,000 donation to get all the documents you need to transfer everything into your trust. Okay. Then right here, these are FAQs. Click on that. Click on that to read it. You know, it tells you all about trustee duty, stuff like that. And you click on here to complete the application. Now, remember, this is gonna pop you. You're gonna be still in your membership when you come from here now. So make sure you remember that. And then you fill this out. You fill all this out and get your revocable living trust. Upload your PayPal receipt there and hit submit. You can also send you a copy of your responses. Alright? Remember to go backwards because you clicked on that form. So go backwards because remember you came from here to right here. So make sure you remember that when you click on that link, you're still gonna be logged into your membership. When you finish doing what you have to do, you say, okay, I think I'm done for the day. Go over to your profile. And then log out right here. See? And you still on that same page, even though you logged out. Now, I'm gonna log back again. Remember, log on, hit that button. Remember, that's gonna be still open right there. You can close that out. Just log in. You choose your login, and these will say log in because I say people log in so they log in for the first time. If your login is an email address, use that. Everybody's gonna have a username, so make sure you use your username or your email address, but use your username right there. As you can see right there, you can go back to the website, or you can use your username, password to log in right here. Okay? Oh boy, that was fun. Thank y'all for joining me, and I'll make another video tomorrow, and we'll do this again. I think I was trying to make sure it was showing up my phone because it did disconnect for a quick second. So I want to make sure that that I start doing more YouTube videos for you all, and we're gonna get this going on. Now I'm gonna straighten up my background back in because it's my little studio right here, my DJ equipment and my other keyboards. You know, y'all see right there. That's my keyboards and microphones when I have guests, you know, coming inside here to interview them and stuff like that. So just another microphone right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hold on. Right here. It's another microphone right here. So, and then there's another microphone right there. So, yeah. And I can interview you live on the radio right here on YouTube. Even though we're doing a YouTube video, I can still interview you live on the radio. Okay? All right. I want to thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate you all for hanging in there these many years. We've been, going on since August of 2017, and this is August of 2024 for 7 years straight. And I made a video almost on every single birthday of this channel. August of 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, now it's 2024, and I'm making a video on the anniversary again of this channel, 7 years, okay? I mean, since we've been doing YouTube videos, but even though this is a new channel, all the old videos from the old people's know, and the official people know, is on Rumble. So we've been doing this for 7 years, and I try to do one every August, and I'm gonna have one tomorrow. Don't forget to remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Take that one day off, Friday to sundown to Saturday sundown, in honor and respect for the only commandment that tells you to the only commandment that tells you to remember. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Okay? God bless you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.